Hello friends, Running Kimono here. So we're going to be talking about the best curbside deals for the week of January the 22nd right till the 27th. You're hitting the box on the left-hand side with the red check, ordering this stuff through your cell phone, desktop computer, or tablet, and then driving to the store and getting it, and that's lovingly known as a curbside pickup. If you are a shopper that likes register rewards and being in store and seeing what they have, you're not about online shopping, I made a video yesterday, I'll link it at the end, where I was in store doing some stuff and getting some deals for like next to nothing. You might want to check that out. I'll link it at the end. Suzu here has been working all morning on these deals, so if you could do this old kitty a huge favor and give this video a big enthusiastic thumbs up, it would mean a lot to her. And she is the cat on this channel who's working around the clock and tirelessly to get you the best Walgreens deals. Like a lot of you, yesterday a lot of us were chasing after these discontinued Scott paper towels. They were like $3.49 on the website and in certain stores tagged as that. I was able to do my one pickup order and I just got 4. I know a lot of you got a lot more than me. It might be really hard to track down this paper towel today because I know couponers went really hard on it. But if you did buy some and if you have this rebate on your Shop Me 'em and say you got like 4, 6, whatever, and you don't have coupons on all your items, you can apply for $1 back with the Shop Me 'em app. Also, when I was in store, a lot of the Kimberly-Clark, which is the parent company of Scott, a lot of their products $1 off, couple dollars off. So this Cottonelle was $6.99, original price point $10. I want it for a lot less than that, so I just left it at the store. And Viva for $5.49. I mean, on a sales week, we can get this for $4.99. So again, I just left this guy at the store, unless Viva is your absolute favorite thing. This blue one is a new one too at the store. And then the signature cloth is also $5.49. So, if you want to take a look at the various paper products and you're in store picking up your curbside stuff, maybe worth taking a little walk down that aisle. You might be shocked what you find. We have this 3-pack of puffs for $5.49. That's a very good deal, but this is a P&G product as well, so a little different, but $2 of savings. Okay, so the first deal that we're going to look at, and this might be harder to do because yesterday I had a prediction that it would be cleared out of the store, but if your store, whatever reason, you can track it down. Throw 3 of these into a cart for $10.47. If you have digital coupons, you're going to have to calibrate to throw more stuff into your cart. Maybe the on sale Valentine's M&Ms. I know there's a 2 off of 2 digital and $1 off, but $10.47 if you have no coupons. Curbside pickup is free, a little bit of tax. $11.10. If you're doing this with no booster, you can use up to $10 in Walgreens cash and pay $1.10 and call this a very good deal. But because couponers went so hard on this deal, it might be a hard one to track down, but you never know unless you look. The next deal that we have is deal number 2, and we are going to need this friend, which is the 5-back when you spend 20 booster. Have it loaded for this deal. This is of a one-time use, so if you already used it this week, it's a one and done. In your basket, you're going to throw in a Bulldog shave gel for $7.79, one of those fancy SHICK Intuition razors for $9.99. I know a lot of you love that razor. I do too. Load the following digital coupons that include this $4 off for the ladies SHICK. It's just a very convenient razor to use. Your shaving cream's around the blades. Love it. And this $4 for the Bulldog. And it can be more than the shave gel, but that's the cheapest item I could find. And then we're also going to get one of these Skintimate shave gel for ladies for $3.49. And we also have this $1 digital coupon, so load that as well. So that's $9 of coupons right there. Now to show you the basket, $4 for the Bulldog, $1 for Edge, WAG 10 an extra $1.23 coming off, and then the SHICK Intuition another $4 off. So that's really fantastic. As your basket is a little bit more than $20, the WAG 10 code will not affect your spending $20. So for the overall basket is $21.27, and we have $1.23 coming off with WAG 10. So you're still at the $20 mark for the spend 20, earn back 5 on SHICK, and spend 20, earn back 5 for your overall basket. Curbside pickup is free, tax, $9 in coupons melting off. With your debit card, pay $12.24, and then you're getting back $10 in Walgreens cash, 5 for the booster, and then 5 for the SHICK promotion of spend 20, get back 5. The next deal that we're going to look at is for everybody's favorite, the L'Oreal Elvive shampoo. That is $5.49 a pop, and we're going to grab 4 of them and toss them into a basket, whichever variations you want, shampoo, conditioner, bunch of shampoos. I know that a lot of you guys really, really love this shampoo, so that's why we're throwing it into the mix. You're going to load this 4 off 2 digital, which is a very valuable coupon for this. So they really, like $2 off per shampoo. Love that. We have another manufacturer, which is a 3 off of 2. Not as nice as the 4 off of 2, but we're going to take it because that's $7 of savings on 4 bottles of shampoo. IVC 3 off of 2. This is a Walgreens brand coupon, so yes, you can stack those 2. That's an extra $6 of savings. Now, as the basket is going to dip down below because of the IVC, we need something else, so we're going to throw in one of these Walgreens brand toilet papers for $1.99. And as you can see, all of those coupons melting off. I could not get WAG 10 to apply for whatever stupid reason on this one account. Maybe you'll have better luck than I. But just to show you, $23.95, $6 in IVC, free curbside pickup, and $7 in digitals melting off. So $12.03. If you wish to use $10 in Walgreens cash, you're doing this deal with no booster. Go for it, and you're paying $2.03 for 4 shampoos and 1 toilet paper. So deal number 4 deals with feminine care, and this is an item we used to get for like next to nothing all the time, and now it's like there's no coupon deals ever for feminine care. We have this bigger box of the Playtex for $11.99, and then one of the OBs for the same price. Load the following digital coupons. We have a $4.50 off for these larger boxes of the Playtex, very good coupon, and then we have a $5 off for the OB tampons. So if you are not particular about the tamps, I mean, an excellent deal. And just to show you, WAG 10 removed $1.45 on this order, so I'm not complaining about that. And then looking at the overall basket, it was $23.98, $1.45 with WAG 10, free curbside pickup. No tax for this, so that's fantastic. And $9.50 coming off. If you have $10 in Walgreens cash, use it and pay $3.03, and that's a very good price point for these items. Considering back in the day we used to always get these for free, I think that's not a bad price point. Okay, so the final deal that we're going to look at, we are going to be grabbing one of these fancier L'Oreal Eye Defense creams for $15.99, and then one of the sales of the week items, the Valentine's Day M&Ms, whatever flavor you want, but it has to have the Valentine's Day packaging. Now, a lot of us got this $8 off of a L'Oreal skincare. If your winter has been as harsh as mine, you probably need this. Just a little something for you. And then just to show you that WAG 10 took $1.15 off, along with that $8 for the L'Oreal Paris. The overall basket is $19.48. WAG 10, free curbside pickup, tax, and our $8 digital. So $11.24. If you wish to use $10 in Walgreens cash, you're using no booster, go for it, and then pay $1.24. But you know, maybe that's a little Valentine's Day gift pour vous. Before I take off, tomorrow is the quarter sale for Christmas merchandise over at the Dollar General. I made a whole video showing UPCs, overage, this, that, and the third. Not many people have watched the video. If you have a Dollar General near you, you might want to watch this video. Head out to the store and scout and see what they might have. This might be worth your time on Tuesday morning to head out to the store and try and look for things. If your store has a ton of stuff, you might head out later or Wednesday. But to get a whole bunch of Christmas stuff for, you know, either the overage will pay for it or very little out of pocket, it's totally what it's about. I mean, that is the cornerstone of extreme couponing. I'll link this video at the very end if you wish to check it out. That's it for this one. We'll catch you guys in the next video. Bye.